Okay. Sit up your position. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Good morning once again, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning.
sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
You know, there is another way to wish good morning. A very fresh morning, or you can say rise and shine. There are many ways. You can Google. So, daily to say good morning, it is boring. Yes or no, girls?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Have a
So, try the
beautiful
better
good
way.
morning.
Rise and shine, girls. Rise and shine. Generally, rise and shine we use when you have just awakened. Anyways, but there is a better way to wish rather than wishing good morning every day. That makes us
Excuse
old.
me, sir.
Yes, who is this? Alicia, tell me what happened.
Sir, I have written best friend twist.
I did not understand, dear.
I have written best friend poem means.
Oh, that's nice. So, Alicia, I will request you to present your screen. That means you have to show the prayer on the poem on the screen, and then you have to recite it. Will you be able to do that?
Yes.
That is a good way to start the lecture. Thank you for bringing it. Please do it. I'll give you 5 to 6 minutes for this thing.
Okay, sir. I am seeing you. Yes, sir. You can see.
I can, but your compass box shadow is falling on it, so the light is not there. Please turn on the flashlight. See,
Okay,
flashlight
sir.
option will be there.
Yes, sir. You can see.
Yes, obviously I can see.
Best friend twist. Dear best friend, are you my best friend? Someone I love deeply, someone who understands, someone who never left my side. This world is full of fankers, people who re-hurting. I am blessed with someone like you in my life.
Very good. Excellent. So, who is your best friend, Alisha?
I don't know in online class.
Uh-huh. You don't know?
No.
No
Means
problem. Mhm.
my first best friend is Mahek.
You know who is my first friend?
What?
You know who is my first friend?
Who?
My mother.
Wow.
Same, sir.
I also.
Maya.
She is the only friend with whom, if you will fight, she will again talk to you back within few minutes. She will not be able to be silent with you, or she will not be able to stay a long time without you.
Yes.
Because when you will grow up, you will get selfish friends. Means the friends with whom, if you fight once or twice, they will leave you. But mother is the only friend lifetime. If you will fight with them, still she will not leave you.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's a nice poem or not?
Yes, it is very beautiful and very beautifully written.
Brother
Okay.
have Brother, give me help.
Yeah,
Half I
obviously.
made and half you, half brother.
Yes, I thought so. But great work. Okay, girls, now take out the rough book, everyone, and give the heading Lesson 1 Question and Answers. See, I'm going to dictate. मैं बोलने वाला हूँ आपको लिखना है. I told you first. So in between, don't ask me, sir, what is the spelling? Sir, what is this? You are not allowed to ask me like that. After I finish speaking, you can say, excuse me, sir, and then you can ask me the question related to the question and answer. So take out your rough book quickly. Give the heading lesson 1 question answers, today's date, everything, subject English. These details you have to write it daily. Come on, be prepared. And girls, when you take it out, you wear your scarf. You have to wear your scarf, sit with the proper dress, and then turn on the camera. I have to see the book, your face when you are writing. So keep the mobile in the proper support. प्रॉपर दीवार के पास सपोर्ट मोबाइल रखना ताकि आपका फेस और बुक दोनों दिखाई दे. पर आपको स्कार्फ पहनना कंपलसरी है. और अच्छे से बैठना है, ठीक से जैसे क्लासरूम में बैठते हो. कम ऑन, आई गिव यू 1 minute to turn on the camera and sit properly with your book. Each and every one. Okay, now everyone wear the scarf and turn on the camera quickly. See that your mobile is kept on one place. Don't shake your mobile phone. Don't turn on the mic. Mic बंद रखना है. Everyone, we cannot waste more than 1 minute to do this. Please turn on the camera, sit properly. See, many girls are sitting properly. Now, after 15 seconds, those who have not turned on the camera, they're absent for me. Again, I will tell you, keep the camera properly. Don't keep it in your hand. Otherwise, it will shake again and again because you have to write and continuously I will observe you whether you are writing or not. And the last call to those girls, those who have not turned on the camera. See
Sir,
that
wait, I will.
I. Is it necessary to speak when I am speaking? Okay, let's get started. Now I hope that you have given the heading question and answers. Lesson number 1, today's date. Please that you sit properly. You are free to drink water sitting at the same place during the class. But then you are not free to get up. Who is this Roshan? Sit properly. This is not the way. This way you will be able to see your friends. Not only that, but also your sir, who is going to turn on the camera soon. Because he's changing the book.
Sir, you also turn on the mic.
Please mute the
Sir,
mic.
camera.
बस कुछ ना कुछ बोलना जरूरी है. How irritating this feels. Um, yeah. So done. Let's get started. Now you have to write the questions also. When I'm speaking, you have to write the questions also. So question number 1. Question I will repeat 2 times. Answer I will repeat 3 times. है तू क्या बोले ये नहीं बोलना है. In between the lecture, if you will speak this, then I will stop. Taiba, I don't have to just see the book. Your handwriting in your book, I will see when you will send me the PDF file of whatever work you have done. Thank God that you people are understanding my language. You know what will happen. Okay. So, I have not arrested you. आप लोग जेल में नहीं हो, स्माइल कर सकते हो, है ना? जेल में डालना बाकी है अभी. चलो. Ready? Question number 1. How old was the narrator? How old was the narrator when she rode? When हाँ आयशा ने कितना लिख लिया, अभी पानी पी रही है, पसीने छूट गए उसके 4-5 पेज लिख के. कितना स्मार्ट बनते हैं ये लोग कैमरा के सामने. Anyways, when she rode the roller coaster for the first time. When she rode the roller coaster for the first time. Question mark. Obviously, it is a question, so I have to put question mark. So I'll repeat the question. How old was the narrator when she rode the roller coaster for the first time? Question mark. Question mark at the end is compulsory. Okay. Now,
Sir, she wrote the
I am wearing earphone. Don't attack in my ears. Speak softly. Sir, what is that? Excuse me, sir. Excuse me is the first word you will say.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. I will turn the volume. Yeah. Now speak.
She wrote के बाद क्या
है?
narrator, they, she, rode.
हे भगवान मदद करो. How old was the narrator? How? Who नहीं? How? How old was the narrator when she rode roller coaster for the first time? First is like this and time is like this. So first time. So even the deaf and dumb can write. Okay. Now this is the question. Answer you have to write 2 times. Ready? Once.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you finish saying okay, and I will wait for you. Done? Thank you for saying that.
Yes, sir. My
क्या मैंने कुछ पूछा ही नहीं है. Why you people are speaking? Don't touch the microphone, please. Answer is the narrator was 10 plus 1, 11 years old. 11 years old when she rode. 11 years old when she rode the roller coaster. Sorry, it was a Britain tone. I will come to English tone, proper English tone. When she rode the roller coaster for the first time. My throat is going to pain at night, for sure. So the narrator was 11 years old when she rode the roller coaster for the first time. कैसा लगा?
very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, sir. Very nice.
बस very nice में आधा घंटा नहीं निकलना है. Done. I'll repeat the answer. You have to write 2 times. If you have finished once, start writing second time. Give me the chance to say you very nice. Okay. Again, I'll repeat the answer. Hey, this is wrong, girls. Again, I will repeat the answer. Again and repeat same thing. I cannot use both together. I'll again speak the answer or I'll repeat the answer. This should be there. Again, repeat should not be used together. वाह, इंसान को अपनी गलतियां दिखाई दे, वो इंसान तो महापुरुष होते हैं. Okay, sorry. I'll repeat the answer. The narrator was 11 years old when she rode the roller coaster for the first time. Full stop. So that is the end of the answer. Now please write the answer second time. Till then I'll adjust my water bottle. मैंने पूछा नहीं है और कुछ बोलना भी नहीं है, dear. I'll adjust my camera properly. Done. Now, I'll give you 1 more minute to finish your work, those who are slow writers.
Sir, 11 we have to. Sir, 11 we have to write in words or numbers.
In words, E-L-E-V-E-N.
Okay.
11. In Indian English, it is 11. And in American, they don't say E, they say 11. 11 o'clock. I don't know why they eat the words.
Sir, you can go there, America.
I just came. I took the lecture there in the morning and I came here. And then now I'll go to teach Narendra Modi.
What, sir?
Yeah, and then Donald Trump, you know?
Sir is
Donald
what?
Trump. Who is,
Biden.
who is Donald Trump?
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, he is
Yes.
American
America.
president.
Yes, exactly. He's my student.
Yeah.
You have said that I am going to teach Narendra Modi. That is okay, but you have said I will teach to Donald Trump. That is not.
Oh, you are her sister?
Yes, sir.
You are her sister?
No.
Then why do you feel sad when I speak this? Huh?
Roger.
Insia Fatima, sister of Donald Trump.
Sir,
आगे बोलो सर यहीं पे है.
आगे लिखाओ ना.
बैठे हैं हम सब चाय पी रहे हैं.
No Hindi, please. Okay, now I suppose even the slow writers would have finished writing the answer. So, Kulsum, your mic is on. Please turn it off. Keep it on mute, dear. Purposely, you cannot turn it on. Purposely means without any reason. Without any purpose, it is purposely. New word for you. Okay, question number 2. Question number 2. The narrator did not want to go. The narrator did not want to go on the ride at first. The narrator did not want to go on the ride at first. Keep full stop after writing first. And then continue writing question. How was she planning to spend her
Time.
एक बारी टाइम लिखना, 4 बार मत लिखना. To spend her time instead, or you say instead, INSTEAD. So how was she planning to spend her time instead? Question mark. I repeat full question. Listen to me very carefully. The narrator did not want to go on the ride at first. How was she planning to spend her time instead? This is how the question is to be read. Right? So she was not planning to go for the ride. She was running away from the ride. So when she was running away from the ride, what was her plan? Not to sit in the ride, but to do what? I'm trying to change the languages for you to understand the question. Because to understand the question is the most important thing. Hey, Taiba, handle your zoo afterwards.
सर पर
बिल्ली
मेरी ना
हाँ पर आपकी cat है पर this is not good. I like cat very much, but in the online class I can recording is going on better.
सर पर परेशान करती है ना सर.
तो विंडो से बाहर फेंक दी.
नहीं।
हाँ, तो हम लोग परेशान करते हैं पापा मम्मी को, तो हमको विंडो से बाहर फेंक दे। ये बहुत परेशान करती है, निकल। Turn off the mic and pay attention here, otherwise I will cancel this type of lectures. कैट का वीडियोस भेजना है मुझे व्हाट्सएप पे भेज देना, आई लाइक, बट इन द क्लास यू हैव टू बिहेव बेटा. इवन आई कैन ब्रिंग माय स्ट्रीट डॉग्स एंड एवरीवेयर हियर. What will be the answer? Raise your hand, don't start speaking please, and tell your friends and everyone not to be in the background. Let me check others camera also, turning it. Fine. Now,
We have to off the camera.
हाँ बेटा, ना you don't have to
We
off the
have to
camera.
off.
You don't have to touch mobile phone. Okay. Now, let's write the answer. But first, I think Muskan raised the hand. Muskan, what according to you should be the answer?
I think that she will go at the boardwalk.
But you have to frame the answer properly. You can not just say she will go to boardwalk. According to the question, you have to frame the answer.
Uh, uh, Sir, I cannot do.
Few students' camera is not on. See that I don't have to write absent mark here. Let me write absent.
Sir, 2 minutes. शायद उन लोगों को है ना शर्म आती होगी कैमरा ऑन करने में.
No, that's why I'm asking you to wearing the scarf, and you don't feel shy when you're sitting in the classroom. This is a classroom. It's just connected with mobile phone. That's it. Anyways, so the answer. The narrator was planning to spend her time playing some games near the boardwalk. 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 I'll repeat the answer. The narrator was planning to spend her time playing some games near the boardwalk. Full stop, obviously. Very simple answer. Please write it second time. I'm waiting. Why few students have turned off the camera? Hey, Ishwar. Sorry,
Sir,
it was just
second
ring.
time. Sir, second time finish.
Okay, beta, please don't speak that.
Done.
You can just show me like this thumbs up after your work is done. That's why your cameras are on. Thumbs up की water bottle मत लाना. Sure asked us to throw so thumbs up. Thumbs up bottle. Thumbs up. Taste the thunder.
Sir, you will drink in camera.
Nah, nah, my iPhone will be damaged.
तो वो लोग पी लेंगे.
No
Sir,
Hindi.
iPhone will
you
drink.
also.
One by one, I have 2 years, yes, but I cannot listen two girls together. Unfortunately. Yes, now mute your mic, Alicia, because you have spoken a lot of things. Now, who else was speaking? I think Mira Arfa.
Sir, yes.
Yeah, what
You
happened?
want to eat dairy milk? You want to eat?
Eating, not right now. 11 o'clock after all the 4 lectures. My mom asked me to take the breakfast, but today, I don't know, I was not in a mood to eat, so I refused. And yesterday, I kept fast because it was Thursday. Every Thursday, I keep fast. I even keep rosa.
Really?
Oh, Papa.
Iman.
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 Done.
Don't speak whether you have done or not. Show me thumbs up, that's it.
Sir, look.
Sir, आप भी
Sir, आगे
एप्पल में
लिखा
बैठ.
ना. Nice.
कौन एप्पल एप्पल
Sir, आगे लिखा ना.
कौन एप्पल एप्पल कर रहा है? Okay, done. Second time. Okay. Question number 3. Question 3.
Mine. क्या?
Question 3.
मम्मी અત્યારે ના પાડ.
Who is this? Okay, anyways, time is up. We will write in the next lecture. Time is up. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Turn off the camera, everyone.
Sir, you will send the PDF.
Bye, sir. Have a wonderful day. Bye, sir. Have a wonderful day.
Have a wonderful day.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
No, sir. Recording is
Sir.
going on.
Good